Hi everyone. Welcome to Vishal Graphics. Midnight, this new feature is going to please a lot of people who use Canva for free. You can remove the background from any image using Canva without needing a paid subscription. I'm going to show you this alternative, how it works, and how you can start using it today. So stick with me until the end, because it'll be worth it. Welcome to the channel dedicated to Canva tools, graphic design, and other AI-powered websites. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we post new videos every week. Let's get straight to the point of today's video: how to remove background and Canva for free. First, you'll click here to create a design. Open a blank document or uploaded image and choose any size you prefer. If you want to remove the background from an image stored in Canva, you'll need to download it first. Let me show you. Click share and download. Your image is saved on your computer. If your image is already saved on your computer, you can skip that part. Next, we'll go to Apps, and in a search bar, type back. You'll see the option for background eraser. Click on it, choose the file with your image, and hit remove background. It might take a few moments for the app to work its magic, and we'll go to Apps, and in a search bar, type back. You'll see the option for background eraser. Click on it, choose the file with your image, and hit remove background. It might take a few moments for the app to work its magic, and there you go. Your image now has a transparent background, ready for any design project. From here, you can continue your project by adding new background, shadows, or any other design elements. One important note: Canva saves your background-free image in the upload section so you can reuse it later. You'll go find this app by going to Apps and searching for background erase rare. Keep in mind that this app is developed by a third party, not Canva itself, but it's available through Canva's App Store. This tool is currently completely free to use, which makes it even better for Canva users who want to avoid paying for premium features. Canva regularly updates its App Store with new tools, and this one is free as of now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!